Hello my 200 plus King Fox subscribers, and welcome back to King Fox channel. My name is Matt Conager and I'm building, you guessed it, a Kit Fox Model 7 STI. In this video I'm kind of excited because I get to do something that somebody else is going to walk in and say, oh, well, you've made some progress on the airplane, as opposed to them walking in and saying, oh, nothing's changed. So I'm just going to be putting the seat pan in, which probably won't happen immediately, but at least I'll get it set in the airplane, and so somebody walks in here, they can say, oh, can I sit in your airplane? Instead of just asking me what I've done. So I'm looking forward to that, and let's get into that video. One more thing, I got a question for you guys. I like to stick to the 10-15 minute video time length on the videos, but a lot of times when I'm recording a video, it might take me all day long to do it, but I try to get the video consolidated down. So if you guys don't mind seeing a video that's an hour long or even longer, I can do that, but if you prefer the shorter versions, I can keep trying to do that too. So let me know in the comments below. I'm going to take a moment, since I'm pulling the seat pan down, and share with you guys the upholstery that I ordered, because I also haven't seen it myself. So let's take a look at that. Alright, I got to put in the order for the upholstery sometime shortly after I submitted my order, and it showed up and I never opened it. So I think Heather sent me some pictures of some of the upholstery options, and to be honest with you, they were a little difficult to tell exactly what I wanted. So I chose what I thought was the best option, and I can't even remember the colors I chose. So I remember a gray with some piping on it or something like that, and I think I got some memory foam inserts to elevate the pilot and co-pilot a little bit, because the previous airplane I had, them all had pretty much the crappiest seats ever. You'd think if you spend a lot of money for an airplane, you'd get a really nice seat, but I have a feeling that these seats might actually cost more than those that were in the previous airplane I had, which had a aftermarket 3-inch elevated seat cushion on top of that, so your butt wouldn't die while you were flying. So let's see what I got here. Got some Velcro. Maybe that's in a nice sandwich bag. That'll be handy later on if I build the plane. I can make a sandwich and keep that with me. So this is a miscellaneous bag, taped shut nicely. And I'm going to cut it open gently. Been cutting a lot of sandpaper with my scissors, so they're not as sharp as you'd think they should be, because I did read someplace that if you wanted to sharpen your scissors, you could use sandpaper to do that, but they're not very sharp. Maybe I'm using the wrong sandpaper. Oh, I can see something in there. Looks like a roll of cloth that says glare shield, so it's kind of a light gray or a deeper gray, so I'm assuming that goes up on the dash, keeps the glare down. And I've got console, so that must be for the center console. It's got 2 sides and a top, so also a gray. Nice, matches. It's good. And this is a roll. Maybe that covers a seat belt. Maybe. I have another one, so that would make sense if there's 2 seat belts. Some more gray stuff, and it looks like possibly a floor covering to cover those beautiful floorboards that you guys watched me put 50 coats of epoxy varnish on. Yeah, I would say these things are cut in special shapes. These must be panel pockets, and there's Velcro all along the back there, so apparently they just stick in, and I'm assuming those go by the doors someplace, and then that's a pocket to put things in. Good size for a cell phone maybe, or I'm sure a map or a chart or something to that nature, if one actually carried paper charts anymore. And there's a bunch more of those in there, so I'm assuming those are just all the pieces for the insets. What do these say? Top front edge of seat pan, nap forward or down. Okay, very instructive there. Right on there. Instructions are right on it. Keeps the guessing down. I'll bet you're as excited about this as I am. And you may be guessing or asking yourself, what did this box cost? I think the box was free. I had to pay for shipping though. And this foam encapsulated in the trash bags. But I think I talked about that in one of the other videos, one of my first videos about pricing, what I'd paid thus far, and I want to say around $1,500 for the upholstery. So you can probably spend as much as you want. I thought I chose some of the decent, some of the nicer seat stuff that they had available. Some good tape. That apparently is not the top. Okay, here we go. So there's the seat back. Looks like I got the black with the gray and some nice embroidery on there. It feels pretty nice, feels nice and squishy. Got a zipper there on the bottom, so you can probably pull the foam out and clean the top if you need to. I don't think that Velcro was supposed to, that strip was supposed to come off the Velcro. Obviously it goes on. Well, probably should have gone on top of this, because I'm assuming there shouldn't be a piece of Velcro on there. And that doesn't really want to come off. So I might have to ask a question about that, unless I can pull that off. I think it was supposed to be like that. Yeah, hopefully that comes off without leaving a mark. And then we've got the bottoms. Oh, those feel pretty nice. So you can see the contour there. This is the front. So the butt pad there. And yeah, memory foam in there. I think I got the 3 or 4 inch at the top. I'm not sure how thick that is. Looks like about 3 inches. Or almost 4. So 3 3/4. So these look plush and nice, and they feel good compared to what was in my mall. So I'm looking forward to getting that seat pan in and the day when I get to put these in and sit on them and enjoy the airplane. So anyway, so that'll be the seat there. Gray and black with some red piping. Pretty sharp, I think. Hopefully you guys get to choose what you like and enjoy the choosing as much as I did. So thanks for watching, and now let's get into the seat pan. Well, I was able to peel that piece of Velcro off of there, and it doesn't look like it did any damage or leave any glue on there really. So I think after a little use, a few flights, no one will ever know it was there. So anyway, got her done.